And hello to you from Molineux here in the English West Midlands. I'm Derek Ray, and sharing commentary with me as usual is Stuart Robson. And looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League coming right up. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers taking on Liverpool.
Well, Derek, we can talk about coaches and their methods, but it's now down to the players. Which ones are going to stand out, who will affect the game, and who will have the greater desire? It should be a cracking game, though.
Number 5, Mario Lemina. Number 21, Pablo Sarabia. Number 7, Pedro Neto. And number 14, Fabio Silva.
The initial 11 for Wolves. Pablo Sarabia starts with Pedro Neto out wide. And the tactical configuration has 2 players in attack from the very outset. So the starting lineup for Liverpool. Alisson begins in goal. Virgil van Dijk plays alongside Joel Matip in central defence. And they line up with just the one striker looking to do a bit of damage.
Thank you for attending today's game at the Molineux Stadium. Enjoy the match.
A match that should be chock full of talking points. Liverpool get it going. Lemina. That's useful play. Salah. Well, that is how to nullify the opposition. And he needs to get it out of there. Craig Dawson. Intercepting it intelligently. Encouraging move from Liverpool, but a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. It has to be! And a goal to open the scoring. A very bright start to this one.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace on the counter-attack. They were so quick to break out from their defensive positions, and then the shot could not be hit any better. Struck with such venom. Great goal.
Well, Liverpool restart the game. A wake-up call for them, perhaps. A foul, but advantage played. So Bosloy. Salah. Straightforward piece of goalkeeping. Well, the outcome is a free kick here. Well, the referee electing not to show him the yellow card, Stuart.
And I think it's the right decision. It is a foul, but it doesn't deserve a card.
And support available. And he did well to cut it out. Pedro Neto. Here's Lemina. Danger here as he runs at them. Cunha. And here's Sarabia. And there's the feed into the box. It comes to absolutely nothing. Potentially productive here for Liverpool on the flank. A very timely interception. Craig Dawson. Cleared away comprehensively. Lemina. Can he put it away? Well kept out. Well, they're going for the short one. Simple catch, really. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Salah. Liverpool in a position of menace. Can they square the game? And the keeper did magnificently.
Well, that's just a wonderful save. How did he stop that?
And short it is. Takes the shot. Not testing the keeper at all with that effort. Nelson Semedo. Now the pass not finding its target.
In any part of the stadium, thank you.
Robertson. Pedro Neto. Nelson Semedo. Andrew Robertson has lost the ball. It's a good Liverpool move in the making. Oh, a fine block. Mateus Cunha. Cunha. Well, technically offside, but not by a lot. Nunez. Well read to ease the pressure. Counter-attacking, very much an option. And they'll regard that as a very disappointing end to the move. Salah. And Liverpool might be able to cash in. Alexander-Arnold. Oh, he's lost possession of the ball. Decent position. Splendid defending, and it needed to be. Over the byline, hence a goal kick. Well, not really too many opportunities for Mo Salah to show us class in this game, Stuart.
Well, it's not been one of his best displays, Derek, has it? He really hasn't been able to affect the game here. Unless he starts getting on the ball, they're going to struggle to get back into this one.
Pablo Sarabia. Cunha. Sarabia. Well, a top-notch piece of defensive judgment. Darwin Nunez. If you're wondering about stoppage time, 1 minute to be added on. And time is up as far as the first half is concerned here in the West Midlands. So the ball rolling once more, and although Wolves are in front, they won't be taking anything for granted here. Good-looking ball. Well, offside anyway, albeit a tight one. Ryan Ait-Nouri. And support available. And the pass could do damage. But the flag is raised, and that brings this move to an end.
Well, he saw the pass, but he just couldn't get it away quickly enough.
So a personnel change then. Cunha. It's a weighted pass. And still looking to get the shot away. It's gone in! Well, they're really in the mood here. Can they be stopped?
Well, here we can see it again, and no wonder the manager is furious. They just have to get tighter here, deal with the danger, otherwise that's the outcome. Not good enough defensively.
Goal for
2-0 here, and the ball is moving again.
number 21, Pablo Sarabia.
Alexis McAllister. Gakpo. And the referee says play on, advantage Liverpool. And options in the centre. Jota. Oh dear, not really troubling the goalkeeper at all, Stuart.
Well, from that range he should be scoring, and he knows it.
This could be dangerous. Sarabia. Can he put it in? And diving to thwart him. Well, they are committed to making the substitution here. And the short option preferred. Can he find the net? Making sure it didn't get past him. Now he must favour the cross. Well, we're into the final half hour. Oh, stylish ball. What can they do now? And a decent delivery. It comes to absolutely nothing. The attack continues. They're making considerable progress. And the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save. This is very rare indeed. 3 substitutes coming on at the same time. Who can he pick out? Well, clattered away. Giving it a try. Well, the keeper had a lot of ground to cover. Splendid save. And a short corner, let's see. Well, he really read that brilliantly.
Well, as you can see, Wolves have had most of the ball. Yes, they've played well when going forward, but it's been their ability to regain the ball which has made them so hard to play against here, and it makes them such a good team. It's been a brilliant performance so far.
Indeed, perhaps they can cash in again. Let's see. And he's in. And still a chance. Well, it came to nothing in the end.
Well, what a brilliant save that was. How did he keep that out?
Good work to regain possession. It's a good Liverpool move in the making. Quite simply, an opportunity wasted. Easy for the keeper. Lemina. Sasha Kalajic. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Luis Diaz. Liverpool have given it away. Craig Dawson. A real opening now. A goal! Just what they needed. Still plenty of life in this match. And a double substitution it's going to be.
Liverpool goal.
So underway once again, and you just sense the momentum may well be with Liverpool now. Mateus Cunha. Just the challenge that was required. Liverpool trailing late in this game, but who knows what happens next? Just 10 minutes to go. Gakpo. Well, they're on the scent of something positive. Chance to cross. Jota. Magnificent defending. Robertson. That's very effective, good high pressing. Well, visionary passing. Oh, could be. Oh, it's in! And that might be the goal that clinches it for them. No looking back now, surely.
Well, here's the goal again, and it's a really nice ball to put him through. The vision to set up the chance is outstanding, and when he gets onto it, he decides to go for power. It's a really emphatic finish, which gives the keeper no chance.
So there it is, 3-1 the current scoreline here. Salah. Darwin Nunez. Back to Jota. And he's certainly in the mood for his second.
Well, he's certainly looking a threat. He looks so sharp today.
Liverpool corner given. Oh, a really good header. But the goalkeeper there to cover up. Well, another corner following on from the last one. Not the best clearance. Jota. Salah! Good stop from the keeper. Corner kick played in. Well, it has come to nothing. Not troubling the keeper. And the referee blows the whistle. Wolves get the victory and take the 3 points. What did you make of it all?
Well, fairly comfortable in the end, wasn't it? Thought they controlled the middle of the park well. Going forward, there was some really nice incisive play too.